So I've got this 4K digital camera here. We'll unbox it, have a look at it, make some videos, see how it works. Let's jump in. Okay, so this is what you get inside the box. You get the digital camera user manual, which is quite thick. Should be able to answer a lot of questions you might have. And then we have a small box right here with accessories, and then a bigger box with the camera and a battery charger. We have USB-C here and a cloth to clean the camera. Let's check the accessory box. So we have a micro SD card. It's a 32 gigs one. Then we have a USB-C, most likely to charge the battery. And then we have this for the camera and a cable. This cable is HDMI to small HDMI, maybe for the camera, so you can connect it straight to your TV. Really useful. This is the cap for the camera. And we also have 2 batteries. Really handy. Now let's check the camera. You can already see that it comes in kind of a pouch to protect it. And that's the camera. Looks pretty good. So as you can see, it does have like a flip screen, so you can see from the front if you want to film yourself. And you've got this lens. This seems to be metal, nice. And then we have these buttons right here to power it on, and some buttons here. So now we'll record some video and show you how it works. But let's also turn it on. Alright, we need to actually put the battery inside. Forgot about that. So that's where you put the battery, and here you can put the micro SD card. So I believe it goes something like that. Right, it's in. Let's actually put the micro SD as well. Okay, now we can power this on. Interesting here. Now let's actually take a video. Oh, that's a picture. You can see the digital zoom. We've got here flash. There's a flash here. This is the menu. This is how it looks. Here you also have like a way to attach microphones and a big flash and anything else you want to attach. Also on this side, we have the mic, USB and HD. So if we open this, that's the small HDMI and USB-C, and for microphone as well, microphone input. Also on the sides, like here and here, you can attach this so it's secure in your hands and you won't drop it. Okay, so we have these modes right here. It looks like a camera now. I press mode, and now it's recording camera. So that's how it records. This is how it looks when you record yourself, and I'm actually going to take this foil off as well. Should be better now, I believe. So that's how it will look. And that's how it sounds as well, because it does have a microphone. Right. Let's actually see the video. Now let's turn it off. Bye bye.